Hello students, welcome back to class. Today we are going to discuss question number 3 of exercise 8.3, chapter number 8, algebraic expression and identity. Let us see what is question number 3. Simplify x square minus 5 into x plus 5 and plus 25. This we have to simplify. See first part, x square minus 5 and x plus 5 plus 25. Simply, this is one binomial and this is another binomial. We have to multiply these two binomials. Let us multiply. This x square, I will multiply with x plus 5 and then this 5 minus 5 will be multiplied with this x plus 5 and this 25 as it is. Now, this x square must be multiplied first with x, then with the 5. Similarly, this minus 5 first with x and then with the 5. Then it will be x raised to power 3 plus 5x square minus 5x plus 25. And this plus 25 will be as it is. After multiplication, what you have to do? We have to simplify. Let us simplify. Simplify by combining like term. Identify which one are like term. This is, you will see minus and plus, it will be of minus. There you will put minus sign. So minus 25 and plus 25, these two terms are like term and one is of negative and one is of plus. So you will cancel these two terms. After cancelling, you will get x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is simplified form of given expression, or you can say this is product of these two binomials plus 25. Simplification of first part. Now second part. What is second part? This is a square plus 5 and b cube plus 3 plus 5. There are also, this is one binomial and second binomial. These two binomials I have to multiply. After multiplication, I will add 5. Let us multiply. How we can multiply these two binomials? This a square of first binomial, first term of this binomial must be multiplied with this complete binomial. Then this 5 I will multiply with this complete binomial. And this 5 will be as it is. Now see, this a square must be multiplied with each term of this expression. A square first with b cube and then with 3. 5 first with b cube and then with 3. Multiply. This will be a square b cube as it is plus it's a square and this 3 will be as it is 3a square plus 5b cube plus 5 3s are 15 plus 5. Now I multiplied these two binomial. Now simplification left. Let us simplify these terms by combining like term. Like terms, which one are like terms? Let us find out in this expression. This a square b cube as it is, because there is no other term which contain this a square and b cube, plus 3a square will be as it is plus 5b cube will be as it is, because these are unlike terms. 15 plus 5, these two are like terms. So these terms we can add. This is 20. 15 plus 5, 20. Question number 3, second part is completed. Let us see what is third part. T plus s square and t plus s square and s square minus t square minus s. This is t square minus s. T square minus s. These two binomials I have to multiply. Now multiplication is same. You have to multiply this t with second binomial, t square minus s, plus this s square you have to multiply this binomial, t square minus s. Further, this t I will multiply it with the t square, then with s. Similarly, this s square with the t square and then with the s. it will be tq minus st plus s square t square minus s3. Next is we have to simplify. These all terms are different term, so it is in simplified form. So we can write t cube minus s cube plus s square t square minus st. This will be its standard form. So third part is completed. Let us try fourth part. What is fourth part? In fourth part, a plus b, c minus d. Then a minus b, c plus d. A plus b and c minus d plus a minus b and c plus d plus 2 times of AC plus BD. AC plus BD. This expression we have to simplify. Let us simplify these two terms, these two binomial. I will multiply and I will find out product of these two binomials, and then I will add this product plus 2 times of AC plus BD. See, this A must be multiplied with the C minus D, and plus B must be multiplied with C minus D plus A C plus D minus B C plus D plus this 2 times of AC plus BD will be as it is. Multiplication we are doing now. This A I will multiply with C and D. Don't forget to multiply this A with each term of this binomial. We have to, how many terms are there with each term we have to multiply. What is before bracket, that will be multiplied with each term of expression. Now it will be this A with C. It will be AC minus AD plus BC minus BD plus A with C, AC plus AD minus BC minus BD plus 2 times of AC plus 2 times of BD. 2 times of BD. Now see, let us simplify now. We can write like term together. So this AC, try to find out any other term which contain AC plus AC, except this next term is plus 2AC. You will write plus 2AC. Next is minus AD. This minus AD, identify any other term. This is plus AD. More any term which contain AD? No, there are just 2 terms. Next is BC. BC plus BC. Try to find out more BCs. Okay. Now, next is minus BD. This minus BD. Further this minus BD. And then there is plus 2BD. Like terms I have written together. Now simplify these terms. AC and AC, 2AC plus 2AC. Minus AD plus AD will be cancelled. Plus BC minus BC will be cancelled. This is minus BD and minus BD minus 2BD, and next is plus 2BD. Now minus 2BD to plus 2BD will be cancelled. It is 4AC. This is 4AC. Okay. Now let us do fifth part. This part is completed. Simply you have to multiply. In multiplication, multiply any binomial with binomial, monomial with binomial, or binomial with trinomial. So you have to multiply each term of each binomial must be multiplied with each term of other binomial. Suppose this A plus B, this binomial you have to multiply it with this trinomial. So just you have to keep in mind that this a first term of this binomial must be multiplied with each term of this trinomial, first with a, then with b, and then with c. Don't forget to multiply with b and c. Sometimes just we are multiplying with a, and so don't forget to multiply with b and c. Similarly, I will write this b, then a plus b plus c. You will multiply this b with a, then with b, and then with c. So with each term you have to multiply. What is before bracket, that will be multiplied with each term of given bracket. So what is fourth part? Fourth part completed. Fifth part. In fifth part, x plus y, 2x plus y plus x plus 2y and x minus 2y. There are two binomials and there are also two binomials. These two binomials I will multiply, and these two binomials I will multiply further, and I will add these product. Multiply. So this x I will multiply with 2x plus y. This y I will multiply 2x plus y plus this x I will multiply x minus y plus 2y will be multiplied with x minus 2 x minus y. Now this x with 2x and then with y, it is 2x square plus xy. Y with 2x and then with y, 2xy plus y square plus x with x and then x with y. It will be x square minus xy plus 2y with x. It will be 2yx minus 2y square multiplied. Now next step is to simplify this expression. How we can simplify? We can simplify, we can add, we can subtract like term, and which are unlike term we will put them at last as it is, as they are. So 2x square as it is. Try to find out any other term which contain x square plus x square. So these two terms are like term, so I kept them together. Plus xy. Next term is 2xy. These two terms are already together, and minus xy. Further 2yx. See, this 2yx is equals to 2xy, because this x into y I can write y into x. Multiplication is commutative, like 2 into 3 is 3 into 2. So we can write them yx as xy. This term and this term I have written. Now this y square and minus 2y square. This term as it is. 2x square plus 1x square will be 3x square. Xy plus 2xy. You can see plus xy minus xy will be cancelled. 2xy and 2xy will be 4xy. 4xy. Further, y square minus 2y square, it will be minus y square. Minus y square. So this is your required answer of part number 5. Hope you have understood this part. Let us do part number 6. What is part number 6? X plus y. X plus y. We have to multiply with, this is 2xy plus y square. Again check statement whether it is 2x square minus xy plus y square. Minus xy. One binomial we have to try this time with the one trinomial. This is trinomial because it contains 3 terms. So this is trinomial and it is binomial. This time multiplication of binomial with the trinomial. Multiply. This x I will multiply with x square minus xy plus y square plus y I will multiply with x square minus xy plus y square. This x multiply with the x square, then with xy, and then with the y square. Keep in mind, this x must be multiplied with each term of this trinomial. Now, x with x square will be x cube minus x square y plus x y square plus. This y must be multiplied with the x square, then with xy, and then with the y square. So it will be x square y minus x y square plus y cube. Plus y cube. Now, x cube as it is, try to simplify by combining like term. Which terms are like? Try to write them together. X cube as it is minus x square y. Any other term which contain x square y plus x square y. These terms I have written. Plus x y square, and this is minus x y square plus y cube will be as it is. So each term I have written, and which were like term I have written them together. Now, if possible, try to cancel them, otherwise add or subtract. Minus x square y plus x square y, so these will be cancelled. X y square minus x y square will be cancelled. One is of plus and other is of minus. So 1 plus 1 minus, and same quantity these are, so we can cancel them. Plus y cube will be as it is. So answer is x cube plus y cube. This was sixth part. Now part number 7. What is part number 7? 1.5x minus 4y. 1.5x minus 4y, and there 1.5x minus 4y plus 3. Checking statement, where plus or minus? Minus and plus. There minus and there plus. And further minus 4.5x plus 12y. Minus 4.5x plus 12y. This is sixth part. These we have to simplify. Now, in earlier part, what was? Multiplication of one binomial with trinomial. In next part, he extended it a little bit more. Multiplication of binomial with trinomial, and plus these two terms he added. So, similarly, we will multiply this binomial and trinomial, and just we will keep them as it is. At last we will simplify. If these are like term with this one, then we can combine, otherwise we will keep them as it is. Okay, 1.5x with 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4y with 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4.5x plus 12y minus 4.5x plus 12y. Multiply this 1.5x with 1.5. It will be 2.25x square plus. This term must be multiplied with each term of this binomial. Similarly, this minus 4y must be multiplied with each term of this trinomial. It will be 15 fours are 60, that is 6.0 x and y plus 15 threes are 45, that is 4.5 x. So this expression I multiplied, minus it will be 6.0 xy minus 16y square minus 12y. You have to multiply this 4y with 1.5, that is 6.0 xy, 15 4 ja 60, and it will be 6.0 xy, then minus plus minus 4 4s are 16, y and y square, then minus plus minus 4 3s are 12, and this y as it is, minus this 4.5x as it is plus 12y as it is. That last two term you have to keep as it is. Now simplify. This 2.25x square will be as it is, plus 6.0xy, that is 6xy I can write, and more any term which contain xy, this is minus 6xy. Any other term which contain xy? No. Plus 4.5x, this 4.5x. Any other term which contain just x, this is minus 4.5x. 4.5x, and this is minus 4.5x. Next is minus 16y square, minus 16y square. Any other term which contain y square? There is no term which contain y square. So we can write this term as it is. Next is minus 12y, and this is plus 12y. So all terms we have written, I think. Yes. Now simplify. If they are cancelling each other, you can cancel. If there is addition, you can add these two terms. And if subtraction, then you can subtract. But like terms. And rest term we will keep as it is. 2.25 x square plus 6xy minus 6xy. Plus 6xy and minus 6xy will be cancelled. 4.5x minus 4.5x will be cancelled. Minus 12y and plus y will be cancelled. After cancelling, we will get 2.25x square minus 16y square. So this will be your answer. This is sixth part. Let us try. And next part, what is next part? Eighth part, a plus b plus c, a plus b minus c. A plus b plus c, a plus b minus c. This is eighth part. Eighth part. Now this time we have to multiply two trinomials. Both are trinomials. If you can see, this a I will multiply with a plus b minus c. Then this b I will multiply with a plus b minus c, and then this c I will multiply with a plus b minus c. This a will be multiplied with a, then with b, and then with c. Similarly, this b will be multiplied with a, then with b, and then with c. And here c I have to multiply first with a, then with b, and then with c. So each term must be multiplied before what is given to us, before bracket what is given with, we have to multiply that coefficient with each term of your trinomial, binomial, whatever be given. Now multiply a with a, it is a square, a with b, ab minus ac, plus ab plus b square minus bc, plus ca plus cb minus c square. I multiplied. Now next step is to simplify. How we can simplify? Just we have to write like term together. A square will be as it is, plus ab. Try to find out more ab's. Ab, there is no other term which is similar to these. Minus ac. Is there any other term? Plus ca, and minus bc, and this is plus bc or cb. Same thing. Minus c square will be as it is. Now see, this AB plus AB, this A square will be as it is 2AB. Now there, this is AC. This you can write AC. I told you AC and C both will be equal because multiplication is commutative. So you can cancel these. Minus BC to plus BC will be cancelled. And this C square will be as it is. So what I got? A square plus 2AB minus C square. Product of these two trinomial is a square plus 2ab minus c square. Our chapter is completed. Thank you for watching.